exercise 8A, A equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, B equal to 1, 2, 7. You have to find the value of A plus B. This is a matrix of the order 2 by 2 because it is having 2 rows and 2 columns. So addition is possible only if both the matrices are of the same order. So this becomes, add up, 3 plus 1 followed by 4 plus 2 followed by 5 plus 7 followed by 6 plus 8. So 3 plus 1, which is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 5 plus 7 is 12, and 6 plus 8 is 14. Go for the second part. Second part is A minus B. Let's go for the second part. Second part is A minus B. This is 3, 4, 5, 6 minus B is 1, 2, 7, 8. So this could be 3 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 5 minus 7, 6 minus 8. So 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, 5 minus 7 is minus 2, and 6 minus 8 is minus 2. This is a matrix of the order 2 by 2. This is a matrix of the order 2 by 2. So this will also be a matrix of the order 2 by 2. Question number 2. P equal to 9, 8, 7, 6. You have to find number 1, P dash, number 2, P plus P dash, and number 3, P minus P dash. P equal to 9876. You have to find the value for P dash and P plus P dash. So sum number 1 given P equal to 9876. P dash is called as a transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix is nothing but the matrix which is obtained by interchanging all the rows and columns. So rows, you have to convert it into column. This is the first row, second row, converted in terms of column, 9876. Second is, we have to find the value for P plus P dash. P is 9876. P dash is 9786. So add up. This is 2 by 2. This is also 2 by 2. So this becomes 9 plus 9. This is 8 plus 7. 7 plus 8. 6 plus 6. So this becomes 18. This is 25. 15. 12. Third is, you have to find the value for P minus P dash. 9876 minus P dash is 9786. So subtract, you get 9 minus 9, 8 minus 7, 7 minus 8, 6 minus 6. 9 minus 9, 0, minus 1, 0. Given m equal to 1a, 7 minus 8, n equal to minus 2, 3, b5. They are given m plus n equal to minus 1, 2, 9, minus 3. You have to find the values of a and b. So, given, okay, what is the matrix m? 1a, 7 minus 8 plus minus 2, 3, b5, that is equal to minus 1, 2, 9 minus 3. So addition will be 1 minus 2, a plus 3, 7 plus b minus 8 plus 5 that is equal to minus 1 to 9 minus 3. So 1 minus 2, which is minus 1, followed by a plus 3, 7 plus b, minus 3, that is equal to minus 1 to 9 minus 3. What you can do is, this is a matrix of the order 2 by 2. This is also a matrix of the order 2 by 2. Since both matrices are of the same order, it is coming under the category of equality of matrices. Equality of matrices says that you can compare two matrices are said to be equal if and only if they are of the same order and their corresponding elements are also equal. So on that grounds you get minus 1 equal to minus 1, that is okay. I think we are more inclined in finding the value of a and b, so I'll say a plus 3 equal to 2. So you get a equal to minus 1. You have 7 plus b equal to 9. You get b equal to 9 minus 7, that is equal to 2. So the value of a will be minus 1 and the value of b will be 2. A equal to 10a, 6, 11, 7b, b equal to minus 5, 3d, c minus 4, 2, e equal to e1, 5, 9f1. Okay. Now, I think we have to find the value for a, b, c, d, e. For that they have given a minus b equal to m. So a is 10, a 6, 11, 7, b minus b will be minus 5, 3d, c minus 4, 2, and m is given as e1, 5, 9, f1. So I think we can subtract. So we get 10 minus minus 5. This is a minus 3. This is 6 minus d. This is 7 minus minus 4. This is b minus 2. That is equal to e1, 5, 9, f1. This becomes 10 minus of minus 5, that is 10 plus 5. This will remain a minus 3. This is 6 minus d, 11 minus c, 7 plus 4, b minus 2, which is equal to e1, 5, 9, f1. So this becomes 15, this becomes a minus 3, 6 minus d, 11, b minus 2, this is equal to e1, 5, 9, f1. Now this is a matrix of the order, these are two rows, this is row 1, this is row 2, column 1, column 2, column 3, same way, row 1, row 2, column 1, column 2, column 3. This is a matrix of the order 2 by 3. This is also a matrix of the order 2 by 3. Since both matrices are of the same order, we can compare both sides. If you compare both sides, you get 15 equal to e, therefore e equal to 15. Next is a minus 3 equal to 1, we get a equal to 4. 6 minus d equal to 5, so take 5 this side, so 6 minus 5 equal to d, so d will be equal to 1. Then we have 11 minus c equal to 9. So get that 9 to this side, take c to that side, you get c equal to 2. we can have directly f equal to 11, and last we can have b minus 2 equal to 1, b equal to 3. Question number 5, a equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to write the transpose. Transpose is nothing but a matrix which is obtained by interchanging all the rows and columns. So this is 2, 3, 4. This becomes 2, 3, 4. This is 5, 6, 7. So you get 5, 6 and 7. So originally matrix A was of the order 2 by 3, and if you take a transpose it will become a matrix of the order 3 by 2. 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2. Next question is, you have to find A plus A dash. Matrix A is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and A dash is 2, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7. This is a matrix of the order 2 by 3. This is a matrix of the order 3 by 2. So you cannot add two matrices which are of different order, since matrix A is of order 2 by 3, matrix A dash is of the order 3 by 2, addition not possible, because if you have to add two matrices or if you have to subtract two matrices, they should be of the same order. If the order is not same, addition or subtraction is not possible. You have to write the order of this matrix. So this is row 1, column 1, column 2, column 3. This is the matrix of the order R by C. That means this is the matrix of the order 1 by 3. Therefore the order equal to 1 by 3. Now this is having how many rows? 2 rows. How many columns? 1, 2 and 3. So can I say that this is a matrix of the order 2 by 3? Therefore the order is 2 by 3. How many rows? Row 1, row 2, row 3. 3 rows. Column 1, column 2. 3 by 2. Therefore the order is 3 by 2. Row 1, row 2. This is row 1. This is row 2. This is column 1. This is the matrix of the order R by C. This is the matrix of the order 2 by 1. R1, R2, C1, C2. This is the matrix of the order 2 by 2. So you can say that the order is 2 by 1. Here you can say that the order is 2 by 2. I think this is also 2 by 2. Order is 2 by 2. This is 2 rows and 3 columns. 1 row, second row, column 1, column 2, column 3. This is a matrix of the order 2 by 3. Matrix A is given, which is of the order 2 by 2. B is given, which is also of the order 2 by 2. C is given, which is also of the order 2 by 2. And you have been told to find the value for A minus B plus C. So A minus B plus C. Okay. What is A? Minus 4, 5, 1 minus 2. B is 2, 3, minus 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this becomes minus 4, minus 2, plus 6. This is 5, minus 3, plus 7. This is 1, minus of minus 7 is plus 7, plus 8, minus 2, plus 8, plus 9. So this becomes 0. This is 9, 16, 15.